It can be easy to fall through the cracks when homeless in Portland.
What do you think you need to get off the streets?
A chance.
For years, it's largely been up to day centers to hand out that chance.
Nonprofits like Blanchet House and others have been filling in a lot of gaps and doing it without necessarily adequate support and funding.
A tired truth that county and city leaders acknowledge in their new homelessness response action plan released last week.
It's time for everyone with a leadership role to work together.
And it's not just the government. We're also working with a broad swath of other partners throughout our community.
And on Monday, they met with local service providers to hear their thoughts on the plan.
It was certainly an ambitious plan, but I think it's good to be ambitious. I have more faith than I think I've had previously because I appreciate the collaborative, holistic spirit of this plan.
The plan includes getting 2,700 people off the streets by the end of next year, adding hundreds more behavioral health beds and a sobering center, ending discharges from jail to the streets, and opening 1,000 new shelter beds in 2 years. Beds those at Rosehaven have been waiting for.
We're seeing probably 150 people a day here, and probably half those people we're trying to figure out, where they're going to sleep on a regular basis.
This plan, if executed well, will unequivocally improve the conditions for our city and region.
Drawn shades inside Andy Mendenhall's Old Town office are a soft barrier to the crisis right outside.
Yeah, I've had to respond to an opioid overdose outside of the window here, and I live the experience of the challenges of our community every day.
Mendenhall runs Central City Concern, one of Portland's largest nonprofits, offering transitional housing among other services.
Love the plan. The question will be, is the shelter allocation sufficient to meet the needs of people who are unsheltered in the community? That remains to be determined.
It always lies in the details, right? And so I'm hoping that this broad plan will now drill down into something where we're really, really looking at the details. I'm cautiously optimistic, but also really kind of excited that we're thinking really big, to be honest.
So in the past, these types of service providers have not been included in these types of conversations, so they're hopeful. They see this as a welcome change. And up next, the county wants to hear from the public. There'll be a town hall on Thursday for that, with the final plan released late next month.
Yeah, very much a work in progress there, Blair. I know you'll be following up on that. I appreciate it. Thank you.